Hey guys, so today I have a vending machine that I made out of a box, some paper, some tape, and why do I have this bouncy ball? Okay, so I have two of these bouncy balls, and I tried to put them in the vending machine, but it's too heavy, so I have to do soft things. So I'll show you how it works. Here are the instructions and everything, and the knob, the prize thing, and the hole to put the coin. So it says instructions 1, put 25 cents in. 2, turn knob. 3, get your prize. So let's put 25 cents in there. Okay, so I think, that's stuck. Okay, so now we can turn the knob and see who we get. See, so there's that, and so let's turn it up. Oh, we got something. Hey. It's on squishy. Okay, so this is our new squishy. It is so cute, and I put the only new thing that I put tape around it and the paint's coming off. But it's super squishy, it's super slow rising and stuff. So this one's really fragile though. Look at this. Okay, so that's really cute. Oh, the paint is coming off though, so that's all I'm afraid of, is that the paint coming off and stuff. So yeah, it's really cute and stuff. So, and I don't know what it is, it's just squishy. I missed that part. Okay, so now let's see what else we can get. Okay, so I put 25 cents in. Let's see what we get. Oh, I heard it. Let's see what we get. New works that works, so that's pretty good. Where did, okay, put that there. The other thing, tried to put two of these two balls in there, but the whole thing broke, so yeah. So let's see what else is there. Let's try and get that. It's pretty big, so I don't think it's really possible, but yeah. Alright guys, so we'll try that after I show you the back. So here's Sophia's vending machine, where you just make the vending machine. This is so cute because I like how it's tilted. It looks so cute. For some reason I like that. Oh, I'll move these two things. Alright guys, so let's turn this around. So, oh. So behind here, it is fully open so that you can get your money, which is right here. Have your money right here because it comes out from the hole. Oh, and money's falling. Okay, so it comes from that hole right there. So we've got all of the money here. Oh. And this is just supporting that. And right in there, and then the prize comes. And so that's really cute. And then behind here, it's just so that, yeah. And then we have all the squishy and stuff, so that's really cute. So when we load stuff, we can just put it in here. And it can't really be heavy, so everything will fall and stuff, so yeah. So I put the easy small stuff usually up front over here, and the small big stuff I usually don't get over there because that's how vending machines work. So I got some money and I can buy some more stuff and do stuff. So yeah, and I'm not really done yet, but this is exactly what it's gonna look like and stuff, except I'm not gonna show this and everything. So yeah, so let's try and get something else. Let's see, maybe we can get a double or something. So yeah, so now let's turn the knob and see what we got. We got this. Yay. Okay, so let's have other people try it.
Alright, put 25 cents in.
It's okay, there's not enough 25 cents. Just
turn your notch to get your prize.
Get it in.
Turn your notch.
Turn it. Okay.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
That actually works.
Yeah. I'm afraid to know what this is.
It's nothing, it's just my new squishy thing. Okay, so thank you.
That's actually kind of cool, Soph. That's awesome. I like it.
I know.
I thought you were making a house at first.
No, don't do that. It's really fragile because this is just.
No!
Don't do that to her.
So mean.